First off, have all your ingredients prepped and ready to go. Organize your ingredients in order that you'll be needing them so that you're not scrounging around looking for something as the cooking process starts. Carefully add oil to your preheated wok or skillet. Swirl the oil around the pan and very carefully add the tofu in. Be careful because as you can see it can splatter a lot, so be careful that you don't get burned. We're going to saute the tofu till it starts to turn brown. Push the tofu up against the sides and then add our chicken. Next, push the chicken to the edges of the pan and we're going to slowly add our eggs. Let your eggs cook for a little bit, then you're going to poke the yolks and scramble it gently. Keep scrambling, and if ingredients get mixed up together, that's totally okay because they're all going to be coming together at the end anyways. As your eggs start to set, add your garlic and stir fry together. Once all your ingredients are combined, we're going to push them to the edge of the wok again and add our soaked rice noodles in. Stir to combine everything together. Add your sauce carefully to the edges of the pan. Use tongs to toss the noodles with the sauce. Once your noodles have absorbed all the sauce, we're going to be adding our bean sprouts, green onions, and peanuts in. Turn off the fire and just fold all those ingredients together. The steam from the cooking from the wok will gently cook the bean sprouts. Plate up your dish and garnish with a wedge of lime.